Alright, today's video, I'm going to trim about 3 inches off the bumper. The top part where you can see the chrome is metal and the black part is just plastic trim. I'm going to be able to take about 3 inches off of it. My van is lifted with a bent I-beam style kit similar to a camberg, and I like how it looks a lot. It looks really cool. So when I trim off 3 inches, you'll be able to see more of the lift. So I think the front end will look even better. I got my Baja Eliminator light bar here. I think they're discontinued, unfortunately. So I'm gonna trim that. And then I'm gonna do cool videos once I take this thing off-roading of the suspension moving around. So if we go around here, you could see there's the metal right here, and then this part is all plastic, so I'll be able to cut this out easy using a jigsaw with a new blade. That's how I'm going to make the cut. This worked great. About 10 minutes. I had to keep coming back and trim more off, but look how much came off. That's a lot of plastic trim that came off, and then you see little pieces here. I wanted to get it as close to the metal as possible. So I'm going to sand this up a little bit and paint it, clean it up. When you look at my van from the front, it looks like I lifted it another 3 inches from trimming the bumper. I really like how it turned out. You could see a lot more tire, you could see the suspension. And here's the great thing about a van that's less than $7,000. My cut isn't perfect when you look at it, when you really examine it, but I don't care. Just took the jigsaw and trimmed it. I sanded it a little bit, I repainted it. This is just one coat. I'm gonna go another coat. I just ran out of paint. But then when you stand back, you can't really tell. It's not a perfect cut. So there it is. And then when you view it from the side, see how much more approach angle you got? That's a great approach angle. Departure angle is not too good. That's probably one of the worst departure angles ever. But the approach angle is on point. See, vans have a stumpy front. So the only thing with a better approach angle than this is a Hummer H1. Look at that. But like I said, since I got the extended model Econoline, doesn't get any worse for a departure angle. The lift helped a little bit, so when this was stock height, the departure angle was even worse. But there you go. Happy with the way this turned out. I just got to get another can of bed liner paint because I just went one coat over. Oh. And then I just, real quick, one coat, I didn't even prep it. I just painted the steering real quick, and that looks good too. That's just one coat over the steering right there. So there you go, you can see a lot more suspension now.